In this lesson, we are going to be talking about melody. Melody is a series of pitches that take place over time. Now, many songwriters and composers try to make pleasing melodies. This is where it gets interesting. What you find to be pleasing may be different from what someone else thinks of as pleasing. So melody is subjective, which means everyone can feel differently about a melody, and no one is right or wrong, they just have their opinions. Now, there are ways of structuring melodies and structuring songs in ways that are more systematic and have patterns that are more easily recognizable that most people find pleasing. Now, a lot of the time, pleasing melodies have some pattern that imply that the pitches belong together. There's some sort of pattern that makes sense to us. Now, while it still is subjective, our brains are programmed to recognize patterns and to find comfort in patterns. So while it may be subjective, everyone's opinion, whether a pattern is nice in a melody, most of the time melodies have patterns. And if it doesn't have pattern, you might not like it quite as much because your brain just really likes to find patterns. Now, because we have so much to learn to get you to read, write, and understand music, we're going to talk about how to craft and shape melodies in Theory 3, not in Theory 1, because we have so much more to learn before we even take that first step of putting melodies together. So we're going to listen and watch a couple of examples now of melody. Let's start with example 36. We're actually going to see this picture you're looking at animated with a real melody. Here's example 36. What we heard was a melody. Bum, 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 bum. That is the melody we just heard that is written here for you, not using music notation, but just showing you a melody. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.